Hi friend, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to generate Sign APK. That APK we are going to upload to Play Store. So I am having this applications and let me run this application. If it is working fine, then we are going to create Sign APK for these applications. Okay, so I have made this application, and this application I am going to create Sign APK. So what I need to do for creating Sign APK, we need to click on build. Then we have the option generate sign bundle / APK. Click on that. So right now we have two options. Either we can generate Android app bundle or APK. So while we are generating app bundle, we have this many advantages. Okay, the download size will be a less compared to APK. Okay, and these are the some features in that you will get the benefit if you generate if you are going to create app bundle and you are going to upload to Play Store. So we are click on next, then create new, because we don't have a key store. Okay, so we are going to create new key store. Okay, and this folder it will be going to fill later. So first click on create new. If you have existing, then you can do it, but we are going to fresh key we need, so we are going to create. So for creating path, first we need to give where we are going to store that uh, key. Okay, JKS key. So I am going to desktop. I am going to choose one folder. Here I have made one folder, that is an empty folder, my shop APK, and here I am going to write the name of the JKS file, my shop app JKS. Okay, click on that. Then you need to create one password, and that password you should remember always. So I am writing a simple password, my shop app, my shop app, and this key either you can leave as it is or you can change. So I'm going to change my shop. Here again you need to put password, my shop app, my shop app. Okay, then here first and last name, so you can write your name. I am writing my application. Organization, if you belong to some any organization, use that organization name, locality, state, then country code. Okay, click on OK. If everything is fine, then it will come to this page, and you can see automatically this got filled. This file I have created just now. I have created my shop.jks, and this password already is came here. Okay, and the key alias, it was key 0, so I have written my shop. So you wanted to remember your password, you just make it check. Go to next. Now in this, what you want to generate, sign a development release. Okay, and you can choose this folder where you want to uh, add that APK, where in which folder you want that APK. So in same folder I am going to do, giving that path. Here I have created this, so here only I am going to choose. Click on finish. So it will take some time as per the your application size. It will take few minutes, then it will get generated. Once it will get generated, you'll see the notification here. One pop-up will come here, in that it will mention the APK generated. I'll show you the difference, how size vary between APK and app bundle. And next I am going to this time I have generated app bundle, and again I am going to generate APK. So I'll show you how the size is vary. Same application, I am not going to change anything. Wait for few minutes. Yes, you can see the APK got generated. Okay, so you can click on locate. So it's came here. Desktop where I given path, in same path it is there. Okay, my shop. See, development, then release, then app development, release, ABB, app bundle. Okay, and again I am going to generate sign APK. This time I am not going to generate app bundle, so I am going to choose this APK one or APK option. Click on next. Everything is as it is, no need to, and make sure your password and your JKS file should be safe. Always make it safe. So you first let me generate this. Yes, click on these two, signature version, and then is started. So for saving password, what you can do, you can comment it here, comment out here, you can comment in this, and here you can write the password. Always it will be a safer. Push to the GitHub once you'll do these changes, and then for JKS file you can mail to your own mail. You have two mail, so from one to another, so might you will lost sometime, so in mail it will be a safe. So again when you need, you can do download that JKS file. If you are going to lost your JKS file, then you are not going to upload. Okay, because in Play Store, if you are going to update your build, so for that again you need to create another build with this increasing version, this version. Okay, right now version code is 1.0, so you need to increase this thing and you can create another build. For creating a build, you need JKS file and password. If you are going to change your JKS file and password, then it will no, your application not going to update in Play Store. Okay, so make sure while you are creating this thing, you need to do. So I think it will override here. So what I'm doing to cut, I'm pasting here. We'll check here, it's got generated or not. Still it's running. Yes, it's got generated. We'll see it here. Release, cut outside, pasted here. Okay, now we'll check the size. So first we are going to check the size for this. Go to property, 9.0 MB for APK, and we are going to check bundle. See, 8.6 MB. So in bundle it's reduce your size. Thanks for watching this video. In upcoming video we are going to upload this APK and app bundle to the Play Store. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.